Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Driving with a cylinder 3 misfire is not recommended. It can lead to increased fuel consumption, reduced engine performance, and further damage to the engine or the catalytic converter. It's best to address the issue promptly by checking the spark plug, ignition coil, and fuel injector for cylinder 3. If you're not experienced in car repairs, consider seeking professional help to diagnose and fix the misfire.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.